Hi guys, Sam here with MarineMax Coco, and today we're going to check out a brand new arrival, a 2024 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. As you can see, it's in the platinum pole color, black rub rail with a stainless steel insert, and the powder coating hardtop to match. It's paired on a tandem axle galvanized trailer, equipped with a Mercury 200 outboard, V6 4-stroke, quiet, fuel efficient, plenty of power. Back here you can see 4-step ladder with a nice grab handle to get you on and off the boat. Here at the aft of the boat you can see there's rod holders on both sides, and you do have little jump seats here. That is nice if you have extra people on the boat, and then you can close it and get out of the way and use it as a casting deck. Moving forward, live well here. Easy access to get your bait. Some more rocket launchers here, as well as up top on the hardtop. Here at the helm seat, nice big flip down bolsters, comfortable. Put them out of the way. So you have plenty of room here at the helm. Digital binnacle paired with that 200. You got your Simrad MFD, Mercury gauges, JL stereo head unit, Simrad VHF, and all your toggle switches. Everything's laid out nicely, easy to find, easy to read. Right here is easy storage for your life vests. Moving forward, another nice seat here that doubles as a cooler, where you can store some beverages. Here is your fish box, which is insulated, keeps ice very long. Anchor storage up here. It's nice to have a dedicated anchor locker, keeps the anchor from hitting anything that you don't want it to hit. And then it's already pre-plumbed for your trolling motor. Perfect boat for a trolling motor, shallow draft. Inside the console real quick, you do have a porta potty and then table storage. All right, that concludes this 2024 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk walkthrough. If you have any questions or you want to check this boat out, visit us at MarineMax Coco or give us a shout at 321-636-3142. Thank you.